Hi, welcome you all again to the channel. So today we'll learn about the element in which period or in which group it is present in a modern periodic table. So we'll start with oxygen. What we are seeing, oxygen has total 8 electron. So the electronic configuration is 2. That means in the first orbital 2 electron is present, and in the next orbital, for this case this is the, we can say this is the outermost orbital, here 6 electrons are present. Okay, now we'll see the number of cells, that is the basically number of period. Okay, so what it is, numbers of cells, basically the number of periods. Okay, in case of oxygen, how many cells are present? Here you see 2 electron, it is there in the first orbital, and 6 electron, it is there in the outermost orbital. So only 2 cells are present. Okay, so the number of period will be 2. Okay, so now how will get the number of group? In to get this one, what you have to get is, first is that we have to get the number of electron in the outermost orbital. So for oxygen it is 6, and that one we have to add with 10, then it is coming 16. So in case of oxygen, the period will be 2, group will be 16. Okay, so we'll see another example to understand clearly. Let's say chlorine. Chlorine has total 17 electron, right? So the electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. Okay, now first we will see in which period chlorine is situated. So where it is period, you see, we already discussed that the number of cells basically implies the number of period. Here 3 cells are present, right? 2 electron, it is in the first cell, that is K and L and M. So if you see here, the number of cells is 3. So number of in this case chlorine, it is present in the period 3. Now we want to see in which group it is present. Which group it is present? What we have to do is that number of electron in the outermost orbital, here it is 7, so we have to add with 10, so it is going to give you 18. So chlorine, it is present in period 3 and group 18. Okay, we'll see this one, it will work for all the things or not. If we see any example of calcium, calcium has total of 20 electron. Okay, then what you have to do is that first you have to get the electronic configuration, which is 2, 8, 8 and 2. Okay, here the period, it will be, here period will be 4, because there are 4 cells are present, right? So period will be 4. Now you see how to get the group for this case. So if the number of electron is less than 3, okay, in the outermost orbital, that time what you have to do, you no need of adding that 10. Okay, so here group will be 2 only. What I am telling is that if the number of electrons in the outermost orbital, okay, in the outermost orbital is greater than 2, then we have to add 10 to get the group number. Okay, so now we'll see, let's say for example potassium. Potassium has how many electron? It is 19, right? So the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 8, 1. Okay, now easily you can tell that this is in the it is in the 4th period, right? Because it has 4 cells, period 4. So what will be the group? It has 1 electron, right? It is 1 electron in the outermost orbital, so no need of adding of that 10. So group will be 1 only, right? If you see potassium, it is present in the first group, that is the basically alkali group, right? Yeah, so then now we are coming for, let's say, any other example. Let's say phosphorus. So phosphorus has how many electron total? Phosphorus has 15 electron. So the configuration will be 2, 8 and 5. Here you see, here you can easily tell that the period is 3 as it has 3 cells. Okay, and group will be 5 plus 10, because the electrons in the outermost orbital, it is more than 2, right? That time we have to add 10, so the group will be 15, right? So in this way we can get for any element in the modern periodic table, like in which period or in which group it is present. Okay, so if you understand, please comment below, or if you have any doubt from here, then please let me know. I'll try to clear that on. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. So new topic we are going to discuss, and slowly all the chapters from class 9 and 10 will finish all the chemistry chapters. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe. So thank you once again.